Hello.
Hello.
Why aren't there any sunglasses that don't make me look like a douchebag? Okay, let's start a bidding pool. How many of the 4 vehicles will arrive intact at base?
Yes.
Hello. Yes. I am very sorry, sir, but get out.
In, and we're still taking sporadic fire from pretty much all around us.
Yeah. Okay. Got the right. I just want to get elevation.
Elevation machine broke. Are
Right,
we
change
growing weed in the fob?
Yes.
Based?
Yes. Need more bullet.
More bullet per bullet.
More bullet per bullet. Justin,
Guys, look, I got a trophy
bullets
gun.
out of your backpack.
Trophy gun.
Nice.
God, they're 10 round mags. What the fuck, Bull?
It's California compliant.
Yeah. And I have an ACOG that's 4x, and like the markers on the moss are like 200 meters or something, and I can't figure it out, and I can't hit shit accurately. That's driving me out the fucking wall.
Skill issue.
Okay.
Is it
Right.
plus and
Here we
minus?
are. Here's the humanitarian rations. These are for civilians only.
Oh my god.
What? I already ate 3 of them.
The only vehicles we're going to come across is technicals.
I want a technical.
Rules of war essentially is that enemy vehicles that are seized we can't use ourselves. We have to like pass them on.
Cringe.
Because this is an insurgency, they're not an actual enemy army. They're an insurgency, so it's a bit different. The rules are slightly different.
What about enemy weapons?
Well, I mean, like the AK you got.
No.
By the way, folks, if you ever want to drive, you know.
Do you guys want to live?
Hey, David.
What?
That's what I found.
What'd you find?
A foul.
Have you got contraband?
No. It's kind of foul. Surprised he's not up there cuddling with it right now. Audio.
How did they fucking hear that? Fuck
3,
you, you can hear the
4,
vehicle.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Direction?
West, by the sounds of it.
Yes, it's west.
Southwest, possibly.
Technical coming in.
Oh, that hurt really. Fox is down. Oh, he's hit in the face.
I may finally have found a place where I can be all alone. 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 Alone.
Oh, I feel like when I put this in a body bag, this thing is gonna just like fly off into outer
Very
space.
possible.
So pay attention, folks. This might get interesting.
You okay? Uh-oh. Fox is
Man
down.
down.
Holy shit! Parked in the wrong
So,
spot.
quick question, Fox. How did dying to your own body feel like?
It was a out of body experience.
Aha.